guys, so I'm starting on my freshly washed and detangled hair and freshly trimmed as well. So I will start in this section right here since it's towards the front and you guys can see what I'm doing. I used this as my leave-in and I'm going to be using this as my styler. So like I said, my hair has been freshly washed and trimmed, so I'm going to I think I'm gonna put my hair into 2 sections, maybe, probably 2, since it's not a lot, or probably 3 to make it easier. So this is going to be the first section right here, and then this will be split into 2, and then I think that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair. And I am putting my hair away, as you can see here, so I can only focus on this section. So I'm just gonna get a little more water to spray, not much. I mean, a lot just came out, but that is life. I am gonna do that. My hair is nice and moisturized right now, and then I'm gonna go in with the curling cream that I showed you, and I'm just gonna put about this much, although it's a little too much because I want my hair to dry. But then again, with this Caribbean heat right now, I think it's gonna dry, so I am not too bothered about that. Just get that nice and coated. Ooh, this looks like a bomb wash and go. Too bad I'm not doing a wash and go today. Oh no. Oh wow, I will actually love this as a wash and go though. Stay tuned for that video. I just got inspired to do this as a wash and go combo, so I will do that for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and comment down below, comment blue heart down below if you guys want to see that video and see how the curls will turn out. But this is bomb though, like for real. Okay guys, so I'm starting on this section, and I want that really defined effect, so I'm just gonna do like I'm kind of coiling it, but it's not gonna stay like a coil, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the Flexi rod. And here I go, and I'm just gonna bend the top so that it stays in place. So here's the first one. You can see here it is nice and curly. Hopefully it turns out lovely, and I am going to do it again in this section, the front section preferably, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take a bit more of my curling cream. Not a lot like this one, well, probably, you know, because I want it to be as defined as possible. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do like what I did over here. So I'm just gonna like kind of wrap it in my hand so that I don't have to do any excess twisting motion. Then I'm gonna take my flexi rod and make sure that it's nice and secure at the end first. Then I am just going to make sure that it is wrapped right around, nice and secure. And then I'm gonna pin it up here, and that is how I will be doing the rest of my hair. So I will do it, then I will be back with the finished result. Alright guys, so I am back, and these are what the flexi rods are looking like. Fingers crossed, because this is my very first time doing these. So I will be back tomorrow to show you the full result of this, so stay tuned for the next clip.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so it is take down time, and I know that I said that I would have taken it down the next day, but your girl had things to do and I wanted my hair to be bone dry. So it's 2 days later and it's time for take down. I'm just gonna remove these flexi rods, and then what I'm gonna use to separate is this oil right here. So I'm just gonna take these down really quickly. This one looks nice. Okay, I see you. So I'm just gonna take these down and I will be back. Okay, so I am back and this is what my hair is looking like so far. I think it's gonna turn out well. I'm not sure, but let's see. So I'm just gonna like kind of separate it. Wait, before I do, actually I'm just gonna use a bit of this oil and just put some on my fingertips like that, and I'm just gonna separate the hair to make sure that it's not frizzy or anything of that sort. and so far so good, I think. My first time actually doing this, so far so good. So far so good. So I'm just gonna be separating it just like what I'm doing now, just separating, making sure to not mess up that much curl, and then I will be back with the finished result. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and for a first timer this did not come out bad. I could actually pull this off for the rest of the week, and as the days go by it will gradually get bigger, so I'm not too worried about that. And yes guys, this is the end of this video. Is it a fail or not? Let me know down below. Like I said guys, this is the end of this video. If you liked this video, definitely hit the like button, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with anyone, a natural, a family member, a friend, anyone. Just share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.